Ready, start. Political parties can approach the people at large for fund collection, full stop, but elections cannot be fought on that alone, full stop. Now, money bags have to be tapped for the election of most candidates of all parties, full stop. By law, companies cannot donate to political parties, but political parties can collect funds, full stop. Obviously, this is number two money, full stop. There is no accounting of this money, full stop. The Joint Select Committee of Parliament had accepted the recommendation that an expert committee to be set up for this, full stop. This was, however, not done, full stop. In 1990, the then law minister had prepared an amendment bill proposing extensive amendments to the Representation of the People's Act, full stop. Those proposals represented a consensus between all the political parties, full stop. It is true that some of those proposals have been given effect to in 1996, but many remain unimplemented, including the proposals relating to election expenditure and state funding of candidates, full stop. Para. My government has taken the exercise of electoral reforms seriously, full stop. We appointed a committee on state funding of elections under the chairmanship of Sri Indrajit Gupta, full stop. This committee has recently submitted its report, full stop. The law minister made a reference to that report in his speech, full stop. I am happy that Sri Indrajit Gupta is invited to the seminar to preside over the session on election expenses and state funding of elections to be held tomorrow, full stop. To facilitate free and fair election, the Election Commission has published certain guidelines, full stop. There is a demand that the government give statutory status to some of them, full stop. Effective implementation of these rules of conduct depends upon the good sense of the political parties, sense of discipline on the part of the administrative apparatus, and the willing cooperation of the public at large, full stop. The proposal of the Law Commission to introduce a list system of election, which is also known as proportionate representation, for an additional 138 seats of the Lok Sabha is a welcome step, full stop. I say so because the system of first past the post is mostly a gamble, full stop. It does not always represent the people's will, especially in a multi-party system like ours, full stop. Facts prove that in most constituencies, the winning candidate gets elected on the basis of a minority of the votes cast, resulting general nationwide misrepresentation, full stop. Many of our parties represent democratic opinion of specific sections of our society, full stop. However, their share in the election bodies does not always correspond to their vote share, full stop. This creates a sense of non-involvement among them, full stop. This require a correction at the earliest in our electoral system, full stop. Overall,